What's up, everyone? I just came across this post from a Brazilian who is trying to use a Vlookup formula in Qlik, and he explained here his situation. Let me just show you in the Excel. He provided this Excel file, so he has a code and situation here, and he's trying to create a new column in which he uses a if error Vlookup looking for the code in this table, and if there is an error, bring the situation column, right? So in this case, for example, 46, we don't have 46 here, so it will bring this column here, the B column. How can we do that? So to explain the lookup formula, sometimes we need to use this in Qlik. So I just brought here the function, right? And I will import this table, the same table, but only these columns, and we will create this one here using the script, okay? Using the same table he or she provided, I will insert the script here and copy and paste this code twice. Because first, we're gonna make this table the lookup table. So I will name it lookup table. And here, this will be our main table. What's the difference? So here I can delete these columns, and we will create this new column here using the condition. Not only the condition, but the Vlookup formula, the lookup formula. So how can we use that? We first make lookup, lookup. Oh, it's missing a comma here. And first, I need to tell Qlik what's the column I want from this other table. So I want the the situation column, situation 1. What's the column that matches my code here in the other table? It's code 1. And my actual column from the actual table is code. Sorry, I have to say that in Portuguese because that's how the spreadsheet is working. And the name of the table, which is this one. So I want to bring the information from this table. So I also use single quotes to reference this table, and I will call this new column. All right, we can load this. And how it's coming. It's not matching, it's not showing us the values where we don't have the records, right? So 46, 47, we don't have that in the second table, in the Vlookup table, right? Because we don't have 46, we don't have 47. So as he used here the condition, the if error, we'll do the same. But in here, we can do like if this Vlookup, sorry, I'm using the Vlookup expression, but you know that it's not Vlookup, right? It's just like because we say that in Excel. So if this is new, so we can use the isNo function. If this expression here is null, bring me the situation column. Otherwise, perform the lookup function. All right? So to summarize, we need a lookup table. We are looking for the situation column. What matches is the code 1 with this column right here. So that's why we're using code 1 and code, and the name from the table, which is right here. Okay? We just added this condition, and when we load the data, it's exactly how it was supposed to be using according to his formula here. The difference is that he has some duplicates, but that's not the point. And only one observation is sometimes if you need to use that, you need to keep in mind that only the first record will come, right? So you won't bring duplicates, or just like in Excel, you will only bring the first record. All right? Thanks for watching. I hope it helps you somehow. And subscribe to the channel because we will often have some more Qlik examples here. Okay? Thanks. See you soon.